You ready? I got a good grip.
I'm sure Ryan wishes he was here to see this.
Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Is that fun? Are you liking that? Wave to Nanny. Wave to Nanny.
Hey!
Wave to Nanny.
I did!
Look at your baby sister. Go ahead, Gary. What's up, everybody?
Now maybe your dad could come do it.
Y'all not gonna flip it up?
My shoulder can't do that. Lay down. No, lay down. Daddy will swing you. Mommy's shoulder's about to fall off.
Your turn next.
Did you see Nanny when you were going way up?
When you turn 3.
It's a rite of passage, but you have to be 3.
It is.
Have to go all the way around just one time, though. I'm going to throw up.
Wave to everybody. Wave. Say hey, everybody. Hey, everybody. Wave. Who's getting that? Who's getting that booty?
Now with Ryan, they did go all the way around.
All right.
How do you go all the way around?
Flip him?
Flip them around.
All done. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Daddy got ants, I think.
Mason, what do you say? Yay! I knew he was going to say that.
You can get up there. The ants over there. Watch out, here they come. They're going to get you. Get up.
Hurry, get up, baby. They will bite you.
Oh,
Yeah,
what a
they're
good
ants.
throw.
You tell Leanne, tell you how close he came. When I first looked at it, I thought you had said 2
What
days.
am I doing again? What?
Oh, for Little League too.
Mm-mm.
No Little League.
Deer Park Youth Baseball Association.
And her.
Her.
What is it?
I'm gonna do it again.
Not right there. Those ants right
Those
there.
ants, baby.
I'm doing somewhere else.
Somewhere else.
I'll get that after I give her to you.
Here. Let's do it right here, Mama.
You gotta see if Daddy wants to do it.
One more time and that's it, okay?
If you thought you were going to scare me, you didn't.
I wasn't trying to. I didn't think it was grass. You're supposed to go in that small corner of grass.
Uh-huh.
Are the ants getting you, buddy? By the road. That's the best place for it.
Uh-huh.
Right by the concrete.
Well, or these bricks. He likes when his butt hits the ground.
All done. Thanks for writing. Need your tickets. Yes, need your tickets now.
Who you want to do to Daddy? That's not gonna happen either.
It's your turn, Mom.
No.
You're just a special boy.
Hey, wanna play down? Cause I wanna run this ball in there. Can you put it down? Cause I wanna run the ball in there. No, I want to shoot way up high on it. No, over there.
Over there.
Not by the road.
What?
Not by the road. It's actually not bad up here.
No, it's not.
Are you still taping?